Hello everyone, this is Karan here. You're welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can install Xposed installer, Xposed framework on your Xiaomi device running custom ROM based on Android Pie. This guide is for almost everyone who is using Android Pie based custom ROMs on their devices. How you can install Xposed framework. Xposed framework, what is Xposed framework and what are the things to keep in mind? I have written the guide. Let me show you. You can visit my website. I will give you the link to that website. Just go there. I have written the guide to install Xposed framework on Android 9 Pie based custom ROM. These are the features of Xposed framework: ability to run on stock ROM, easier to use, save time, efforts, etc. It is useful in many ways. You can use Xposed modules for Instagram, WhatsApp, and other tweaks related on your device. What are the things you have to keep in mind? Let's get straight to the video now. Okay, so as I am here in my website, you can see these are the links I have given. Download Riru Core magisk module, add Xposed magisk module, add Xposed uninstaller, add Xposed installer, and magisk manager, and the device should be rooted. These are the prerequisites. You should have these things. Unless you will not be able to run these things, you must have magisk manager installed on your device. So these are the requests. Just click here and download the first Riru Core magisk module. Just click here and then wait for it to properly load. Don't click allow, just click on block and again deny. Just go back again, deny again, now click I am not a robot, then click this continue button. Now wait for approximately 10 seconds for it to properly download, and let us wait for 10 seconds. First of all, I am not responsible for anything happen to your device, so make sure you have a proper backup in case something goes wrong, because Xposed installer is not officially available for this device, for any device. So here we are, this page, into GitHub page. Just click this and click on assets and download this magisk Riru Core. Click here and it will be downloaded. Just click on allow and download. As it is downloaded, just go to, first of all, wait, download all the things which are required at Xposed installer you need, but you can also download from magisk manager inbuilt. Just go to modules and click on plus icon and then wait for it to properly load. Here we have downloaded this magisk Riru Core. Wait, let me show you this one we just downloaded. Just click here, it will start flashing and it will give you these logs. So don't reboot now, go back again. Now first of all, let's move on back to Riru. Let me show you Riru and Xposed. This is what you need actually. Okay, these are the links already given in this. Riru Core we have already installed, and now we have to install add Xposed magisk module. If we flash this from here now, you will see an error. Wait, let me show you this. You can see installation is failed. Why it is failed? Let me show you. In modules, here module will be updated on next reboot. So first of all, after installing the first module, simply go to restart and restart your device once. And after restarting, you have to flash that the newer module which I told you earlier. You have to flash that module. I will show you everything. So wait, let us reboot my device now. And first of all, again I am telling you, I am not responsible for anything happen to your device, so make sure you have a proper backup, as this is not an official release. This is the unofficial version ported by sorry, I don't remember the name actually of the developer. So this is how you can install this. I am showing you everything. Wait, let me reboot my device. As you can see, my device is rebooted now. Now in magisk manager, move on to magisk manager, and in modules you can see Riru Core is now activated. Here you can see Reroute is now activated. Now just go to downloads again. Now go to Reroute at Xposed. It will show you it is installed. As you can see, update available. Just click this icon, click on install. It will start downloading and it will not take that much time. It will not download many MBs. Here you can see files are copied, settings permissions done. Now you can reboot again, but wait, let's go back, and here install the Xposed manager. This is actually an APK. You can download, install from here also. If you want to install from my website, you can install from this also. Just go here and whatever I told you, go here. Now go to assets and click on APK install, download, and it will start downloading. It will be around 3.93 MB, so it will not take that much time. It's almost downloaded now, 3.74 MB. I've already downloaded. I will show you. Okay, just click here, settings, install unknown apps, and now add Xposed manager. You can see this APK. I'm installing in your own eyes, so make sure you cannot report any errors. I am showing you almost everything. At Xposed, you can see this is not installed now. As we have already installed the magisk module, simply click here, go to restart your device again, and after restarting your device, you will see Xposed will be activated and Xposed framework is working on your device. You will see surely this. You will not see any errors. If you see any errors, make sure you have a proper logs, and you can comment down below, or also you can reach me on Instagram or Telegram, wherever you want and wherever you are comfortable. As you are seeing, my boot animation is there. It means we are booting successfully, and I don't think so it will take that much time. Yes, as you can see, we are now booted into my custom room, Android 9 Pie based custom room, pixel experience. Now as we go to Xposed, here it is, and now you can see Xposed framework is active, and this is how you can install Xposed framework on your device. You can also install modules. You can download those modules from here. So this was all from today's video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.